Every so often, a new technology comes along that changes everything. It doesn't just improve what we already have, it completely transforms the way we work, create, and connect. These moments are rare, but when they happen, they redefine what's possible for everyone. In 2025, that game changer is artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a buzzword or a distant dream. It's here, and it's reshaping industries, workflows, and even our daily routines. And leading this revolution is Google AI Studio, a platform designed to put the power of AI directly into your hands. It's not just for coders or data scientists anymore. It's for everyone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone who's never written a line of code, Google AI Studio is built for you. For years, building with AI felt impossible for most people. The barriers were high. Complex programming, confusing interfaces, and a steep learning curve kept many on the sidelines. Google AI Studio changes that. It's designed to be intuitive, welcoming, and accessible, so you can start building with AI right away. It hides the complexity behind a simple interface, letting you focus on your ideas, not the tech. With easy drag-and-drop tools and clear guidance, you can bring your vision to life without getting lost in the details. Now, anyone can access Google's most advanced AI models and build custom tools. You can experiment, create, and innovate, no matter your background or experience level. This isn't just another chatbot. It's a workshop for creating your own AI-powered solutions. Imagine building tools that automate your work, analyze data, or even help you brainstorm creative ideas. Whether you're a student, business owner, or creative, you can fine-tune AI for your needs. From automating repetitive tasks to generating new content, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll break down what Google AI Studio is, how to get started, and why it's a leap forward. You'll see real examples and practical tips to help you unlock its full potential. I'll show you how to build a project and save hours of work. You'll learn how to streamline your workflow and make your ideas a reality faster than ever before. By the end, you'll see why this isn't just another app. It's a platform that will change how we use AI every day. Let's dive in and discover the future together. So, what is Google AI Studio? It's a web platform that lets you experiment with Google's latest generative AI models. Think of it as a creative sandbox powered by some of the world's most advanced AI. You can prototype ideas fast, no coding required. The real magic is in its multimodal models, like Gemini, which handle text, images, audio, and video. AI Studio is more than a chatbot. It's a tool for building repeatable, customized AI assistants. You craft precise prompts, test, refine, and turn them into tools you can use again and again. It bridges the gap between casual users and developers, making prompt engineering visual and simple. You can tweak creativity, output length, and guide the AI's behavior, all in one place. It's about teaching AI to do a job for you reliably every time. Ready to try it? Signing up is easy. All you need is a Google account. If you use Gmail or YouTube, you're set. Go to astudio.google.com and click Get Started. Accept the terms of service, worth a quick skim for privacy basics. You might answer a few optional questions about how you plan to use it. That's it. No waiting list, no extra logins. In under 2 minutes, you're inside the main AI Studio dashboard. Google's made it frictionless so you can start building right away. The whole process is designed for speed. Let's see what you can do once you're in. Once you're inside the AI Studio, you'll immediately notice a clean, uncluttered dashboard that's designed to help you focus on your creative work without any distractions. The interface is modern and intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a navigation panel. Think of this as your project library, where all your prompts and projects are neatly organized. You can quickly switch between different projects or start something new with just a click. The main workspace in the center is where you write your instructions to the AI. This is your creative canvas, where you can experiment with ideas, draft prompts, and see your thoughts come to life. You have the flexibility to create free-form prompts for open-ended tasks, perfect for brainstorming or exploring new concepts. Or you can choose structured prompts, which are ideal for more specific, guided tasks that require a clear format or set of instructions. There's also the option to create chat prompts, allowing you to simulate real conversations and test interactive scenarios with the AI. In the prompt window, you can provide detailed instructions, add examples, and fine-tune your requests to get the best possible results from the AI. To the right, you'll find the Model Settings panel. Here you can select advanced models like Gemini Pro and adjust the creativity of the AI's responses using the temperature slider. Lowering the temperature gives you more focused, precise answers, while increasing it makes the AI's responses more creative and varied, perfect for different types of projects. At the top or bottom of the workspace, you'll see a big, easy-to-find Run button. Just click it to instantly generate a response from the AI. The output appears right next to your prompt, making it simple to compare your instructions with the AI's response and see how your changes affect the results. This fast feedback loop lets you tweak, test, and refine your prompts in seconds so you can iterate quickly and efficiently. The dashboard is built for rapid prototyping and experimentation, empowering you to try out new ideas and approaches without any delay. You can build, test, and refine your ideas, all without writing a single line of code. The drag-and-drop interface makes it accessible for everyone. That's the power of AI Studio's thoughtful design. It puts creativity and innovation right at your fingertips, making advanced AI accessible to all. Let's build something real, a social media post generator for a coffee shop. Start by creating a free-form prompt. Write clear instructions. You are a creative social media manager for the daily grind. Write an engaging Instagram caption, 3 to 4 sentences, ending with 3 to 5 hashtags. Add a placeholder for the topic. Topic: describe the new drink or event here. For example, topic: our new toasted marshmallow latte. Set the temperature to 0.7 for a balance of creativity and control. Hit run. The AI generates a caption and hashtags in seconds. Don't like the first result? Tweak the prompt or hit run again for a new version. You've just built a reusable custom AI tool, no code needed. Change the topic anytime to generate fresh content. That's how easy it is to create with AI Studio. So why does this matter? First, it's a huge productivity boost. Our coffee shop owner can now generate a week's worth of posts in minutes. But it's not just about speed, it's about personalization. You can build AI tools tailored to your exact needs, whether you're a lawyer, doctor, or student. Embed your style, knowledge, and requirements directly into the AI. It's a new way to learn and experiment. Students can build study partners. Researchers can simplify dense papers. Most importantly, it democratizes AI development. No coding skills? No problem. Anyone can build and test ideas. This opens the door for more diverse, creative solutions from all kinds of people. The next big AI idea could come from anyone, maybe even you. With AI Studio, the power to create is in your hands. That's a real game changer. Time is our most valuable resource, and AI Studio helps you save it. Automate repetitive tasks, like writing emails, meeting summaries, or reports with custom prompts. For example, paste a meeting transcript and get a formatted summary with action items in seconds. It's not just about speed, it reduces mental fatigue from tedious work. AI Studio also accelerates brainstorming. No more staring at a blank page. Create a prompt for idea generation and get instant inspiration. Stuck on a problem? Ask the AI for solutions from different perspectives. It's like having a team of experts on call, ready to help you think faster and smarter. The result: more time for what matters, less time on busy work. That's the superpower AI Studio gives you. Use it to work smarter, not harder. Google AI Studio isn't just another tech update. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with artificial intelligence. It's not simply about new features or faster processing. It's about changing the very way we think about technology and creativity. We're moving from being passive consumers of technology to becoming active creators, shaping the tools we use every day. Now, with just a few clicks, anyone can build custom AI tools to amplify their unique skills, ideas, and passions. No advanced coding required. The future isn't about being replaced by AI, but about working alongside it. using it as a partner to unlock new possibilities. The most effective people in tomorrow's world will be those who know how to direct AI, guiding it to deliver smarter, more creative results. Google AI Studio is the perfect place to start learning that essential skill, whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious. As these tools evolve, we'll see a wave of new, personalized AI-powered services that can adapt to our individual needs and lifestyles. Innovation will come from everywhere, not just from big companies, but from individuals, small teams, and even hobbyists working from home. So don't wait for the future to arrive. Sign up, build your first prompt, and experiment. Try making a recipe generator, a workout planner, or invent something totally new that solves a problem you care about. The best way to understand the future is to start building it yourself, one idea at a time. With Google AI Studio, the most powerful tools are now in your hands, ready for you to shape and explore. The future of AI is what you make it, so start creating and see how far your imagination can take you.